Hello, everybody. Today I'm going to talk about how to create an MLA citation for your research project. So once you have found a source that you like, there are a couple of different options for a citation. If you pull a site straight off of Google, you are going to want to use the website mybib.com. Okay, this is going to be a place for you to create a citation, whether it's from Google or you can use it for ebooks as well. Or the other option would be if you are using an article that comes from one of the resources that Mrs. Williams talked about, okay, using those library databases, then you can pull that straight from that website. So for example, if I was writing about Norse mythology, which is my topic for my essay, I can click on the source that I want. And when I read through it and decide I like it, I can click this Cite button right up here, and it's going to give me my MLA citation. I will just copy and paste it onto my document. Okay. The other option is MyBib. So what you're going to do is you're going to find your resource from Google. So again, I'm doing Norse mythology. Okay, so I'm going to open up this website. Once I determine that maybe it is a credible website, which I haven't done the research on this one yet, then I'm going to want to copy my URL. Okay, I'm going to go to my bib and click Create Citation. Okay, so this is a website, so I'm going to put in the URL. Okay, it's going to give me my results, so I'm going to click on that. It does ask for me to look to see if there is a website author. So here is my website author, Daniel McCoy. Okay, so I'm going to add my author, and then I'm also going to add the day that I accessed, which is today, the 28th of October. Okay, once I've done that, I'm going to click Save at the bottom, and it's going to give me my citation. In order to copy that full MLA citation, I'm going to click the three dots on the side and click Copy Bibliography Entry, and then I'll be able to upload that to my research collection document where it says MLA citation. All right, that's it.